Channel 1 is making $95,000 a month. They use AI to generate factory processes showing how random waste is turned into something useful. Instead of copying this, try showing how luxury goods or historical weapons are made instead. Channel 2 is Sydney Explains, pulling in $13,000 a month. It's just simple cartoon thumbnails and a voiceover explaining forgotten DIY tricks. And to stand out, you could pivot to car maintenance hacks or cheap cooking tricks that save people money on groceries. Channel 3 is No Fluff Academy, making $2,000 a month with only 16 videos. It's just a subject name on a colored background with a voiceover explaining it like you're 5. Here's a crazy opportunity. Take this exact same format but explain math concepts in Arabic or Hindi where nobody is doing this yet. Channel 4 is Syphoria, pulling in $6,000 a month. It is long-form philosophy and psychology content using dark vintage paintings as the visual. Channel 5 is The Buried Archive, making $10,000 in the last 30 days. Zero real footage, just AI-generated vintage photos telling creepy historical mysteries. Channel 6 is IDW Global, making $25,000 a month. It's literally just hour-long compilations of workplace fails and instant regrets. The secret here is the length. Because the videos are so long and highly bingeable, the ad revenue stacks up incredibly fast. Channel 7 is MMA Unpacked, making $2,000 a month. Their videos are basically stickman illustrations, ranking and explaining martial arts concepts. If you want to do this yourself, just apply the exact same format to football or whatever sport you actually know about. Channel 8 is Science Before Sleep, making $12,000 a month. These are massive 3-hour documentaries about space designed to help people fall asleep. You can easily replicate this insane watch time with other topics like deep sea exploration or ancient history. Channel 9 is Stars Then and Now, making $31,000 a month. They just make simple then and now photo comparisons of famous 80s celebrities. Channel 10 is Amply Focus, making $2,000 in the last 30 days. No voiceover, just a 2-hour looping brain visual with focus music people use to lock in. Since people use them repeatedly while they work or study, the watch time would be insane. That's all, but remember to actually add original value to your videos so you don't get hit with inauthentic content. Peace.